We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the price broke 85. All right. Because if you refer to my last analysis when the price was here, we mentioned how we can look for trade. The only way was to look for trade for buy from here. And we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. And we have been looking to see the breakout of the 85. And right now, we want to see what's the next. As we can see, the price broke 85. Again, if you move to our analysis, after we get this correction, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. We mentioned we did, because since the price was within exactly this correction, we have been looking for 70 following by 85. And since the price could break the 85, the next target we're looking for is 98 following by 124. But one thing I need to highlight here, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. But the only thing is the MACD, if the price continues a sharp move, it will disappear. All right. The only thing is we will expect to see the correction. But the only reason I'm highlighting about this, if you want to look for trade, and from now we need to be really careful, because if you move to monthly or even weekly chart, the price is almost, we don't have much history. All right. And that's why from now, if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we should consider as a short term. I think better if I move to daily chart, we consider as a short term, because the best things is if we see the daily correction or forward correction. By the way, we're looking for continuation. The next target is 98 following by 124. And based on daily chart, we have nothing to discuss. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, we don't have anything to discuss. And the only thing is we can refer to the indicators. We don't see divergence anymore. And based on another indicator, we have a divergence. We don't need to really care about that. That means still we're looking for continuation. And even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And the only thing is we look for trade based on 1 hour chart. From now, if you want to look for trade, and if you like, we can take the trade, but we should consider as a short term. But I mean by short term, as long as we get into the profit, at least we move our stop loss to break even. Because as I mentioned, based on daily chart, from now we will expect to see the daily correction. All right. At which price we will get the daily correction, we cannot confirm at this moment. The only thing is if you get any opportunity, the only way is to look for trade based on lower time frame, 1 hour chart. If you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, but we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to at least move our stop loss to break even. And we don't see any reversal point yet. And right now, we don't have any trade setup even based on 1 hour chart, but the next target we're looking for whether the price can break 98 or not. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.